why do I highly recommend this little tweezerman kit? Because you can just put it in your purse, and in case of emergencies, like this one, you can then use it wherever you are. So this one comes with these little clippers. They are hangnail clippers. So make sure you don't throw this away, because if you hit the ends, this tool becomes garbage. It comes with a little file and the mini tweezerman pushy and clippers that I barely use. But today we're going to use this, and I'm going to show you how I deal with this. Can you see this little piece that I picked? Because I'm a picker. So you see this hard little piece is like in between the skin fold and the nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the skin, and I'm holding it close. I'm not holding it here, I'm holding it close so I have control. And then getting underneath, making sure that I'm just using the tip, that I'm not like squeezing here because I'm gonna cut myself. So I'm just using tip and snip. That's it. Nothing to pick, because you know what? When you start picking this and pulling at it, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna cause sometimes major infection, and you're gonna cause yourself a lot of pain. So highly recommend, make sure that you use, after you're done, you can wash the tool, spray it with alcohol, wipe it if you want, and then just you wanna put this back on.